Hello everybody, welcome to Shafi Talks, and in this video you are going to learn how to turn on the incognito mode in YouTube application. So what you need to do, you need to click here the right bottom corner on your screen. It's called a profile icon, and then you can see scroll down, like scroll a little right side, swipe the right side, then you can see turn on incognito. So simply click here, then got it, and you are in incognito mode, so you can search anything, so it will not add it on your history. Okay, for example, if you write a song, then this search thing will not be added on your history, so this way you can use as a anonymously. So today's no more friend, please subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching.